Hi, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Howdy doody.
Howdy doody.
Howdy doody.
We're out here planting our agroforestry style rose. They will get heavily planted. But right now we're starting with some little rootstock peaches. We're going to grow these out for rootstocks. I just put some pomegranates in because I love my pomegranates. Do really well with them.
Don't worry, folks. I'm licensed to drive this thing.
So we've got some good old rabbit poo that's going to go around every tree that we put in. Give it a little food, little eaty. That's probably about good for that tree. So we're going to hit every one of these trees. Right now I have 8 trees. There's a couple of pears. These were really bad shape and really sorely needed to be transplanted and brought over here and taken care of. So that is where we're at with these. I really want to grow some pears. That's Flordahome is the big one, and Hood pear is here. These are my Vietnamese Reds. These 2 palms, they will produce very well. Maybe next year, probably year after. I'm going to put some other stuff in here. All cold hardy. I'll probably put a loquat back here, maybe some more mulberry. I'm not sure. This is going to be 100% no input needed. But I'm just trying to get it done. And then Jimmy, the man, is going to jump on the tractor and spread a ton more mulch and cover all these mounds. So we're just trying to get a little bit of nutrients in here. So he's just throwing it, and I'm going to spread it like that. This is decomposed, broke down rabbit manure. Best stuff in the world. So that's what we're up to today. And I'll probably go find some more trees and stick them in here so we can get this finished up today. We have another big load of mulch laying right over there from my trusty tree guys. And that's what's happening for today. And I hope you guys will check in later and check this bed out and see how it goes. It's right next to one of our big annual beds. Our cauliflowers and broccolis are looking really good. I got some cabbages heading up already. I saw some cabbages yesterday. I was picking some leaves off the cabbage plants. We got some little baby heads just starting. These are Brunswick. There's a nice one starting to curl up. Very happy with these. Very good. Very good. And then our onions from seed. These are yellow grain X. Just an experiment, see how well they would do, and they just popped. So lots of onions in the ground. Lots of good food in here. I harvested my first salad out of here yesterday. It was super cool. Lots of bok choy. Uh-huh. It sure is. Or is it not? It looks like roots.
Roots?
That's roots of something.
Right.
Could be mycelium.
Hit the wire to the tongue.
Could be mycelium. Who knows in there? Hey, mycelium face. All right, we're gonna go to work later, guys.